At a time where industries are moving at speed, people, assets, and systems need to work seamlessly together. As one of the largest automation and control providers in the world, Wood delivers performance-enhancing solutions across the life cycle of an asset, continuously rethinking innovation and delivering fully integrated automation systems. Built on more than 50 years' experience, our expertise spans multiple sectors, including all oil and gas segments, renewables, power, supply chain and logistics, industrial and manufacturing. From intuitive pipeline monitoring software that connects performance maintenance with asset integrity management, through to fully integrated planning and development protocols to connect and generate safer operations, we design and deliver consistent, cost-efficient solutions. From the simplest to the most complex automation and control projects anywhere in the world, Wood is your partner of choice. We're doing all these things and more, all over the world, because with technology and ingenuity, anything is possible. Wood makes it possible.